Sorry. I know I'm a little bit late. I apologize, mubby. But we're here now. Let's do this. Okie dokie. So, I see that it's been slowly going up and away, which is interesting. I don't know. Yeah, I wonder if it's going to continue doing that. So I'm just adding Solly to everything. Because Solly is now part of everything. Mad love. Good grief. It's gonna take 5 years, but it's okay. Hey Juan, what's up? How you doing? And John, what's up guys? How are you? How has the trading been treating you? I know it's only Monday, but did you guys trade this morning or not really? Yes, no, maybe meh. Juan, this morning was actually really good. I cannot complain. This morning was a banger, so let's hope we get another one. Let's see if we get something decent. I'll show you now. Apologies, like I said, I'm just quickly adding. So Solly is a new member, so I'm adding him so that he gets the perks of the membership. There we go. Cat Solly is now part of the membership, which is awesome sauce, so he is sorted. So this morning, as you can see, like it was an 83-point trade, which was really cool. Cannot complain. Whoopsies, do you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to add cost slabs. Hey Johan, how are you? How are you, John? I haven't done anything yet. I have to work my normal business job today. Mining stocks are staying neutral and about the same right now, just trading sideways. Oh, that kind of sucks. Hey! Is it KEK options? What's up? How you doing? How goes it? How goes it? Wow, I'm kind of shocked that that's happening. But anyways, quick. Let's do this for everybody.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
How's everyone doing? Don't lie, that is adorable. I love it. But let's do this. Go have fun. Happy Monday. How you doing? Like I said, okay, let's mark out everything. So the new weekly opening gap has already been filled solidly. I mean, it's, yeah, pretty decent. What was this? Oh, this was a little volume imbalance. I must actually check at this. It's been respecting. Sorry, I know I'm like zooming in like a mad lad for that reason. Stop it. There we go. I want to see if it rejects it. Rejects off of it. There we go. Nailed it. English. Cool. Rejects off of it again. It took out my point of interest really well earlier, so I'm super chuffed about that. Let's now mark out our session highs and lows. So here is London high. Okay. London high. Awesome. And well, for me, theoretically, this is London low, but let's just... I'm going to call it London low. I know a lot of people would maybe argue with that, but I'm going to call it London low because New York has not happened yet. Okay. Done. Asia high is all the way up there. Okay, now the question that I asked during London is New York going to be continuation or reversal? Let's see. Is New York going to be continuation or reversal? Open a crypto tab. What up? How's it going? How are we? Hey, awesome guy. How you doing? John, I called the rejection last night. Nice. Are we all ready for this? That's all I'm asking. Are we? What did I do? I did something silly. There we go. Okay. Again, do you think this is going to be continuation to the sell side or reversal during New York session? I mean, how big has this been since Asia? I mean, that's not bad. 380-point drop from the Asia high. That's not a bad drop. Damn. Let's see if this continues though. Let's see if this continues. What do you guys think? Let's get our estimations. I don't want to say estimations. Let's get this in. Oh, before I forget, I'm going to pop this in because I know me, I will forget. This at least means it's pinned. Microwave, I did not see. Sorry, I literally just got home a few minutes ago. I was running around. My horse bit my finger. Little butthead. I love him, but butthead. I'm gonna start loading a prop from account. Just trade maybe once or twice a week. Honestly, I'm gonna start loading up on a prop from account and just trading once or twice a week like I've been doing on my personal account. I mean, why not, hon? I mean, like I said, you can get a decent discount, especially on Tradeify now, using Teach Maya. Sorry, I am super excited about it, so I will be mentioning it a lot. I am officially affiliated with Tradeify, which is super exciting. So if you guys want to show some of that support, affiliate code is Teach Maya, all caps. Super exciting, awesome discounts currently happening. 30% off of all. And a 40% off of 150k select, which is super, super cool. But Rashan, Hale, how are we doing? Sorry, I did just pin that so that I don't have to mention that too often. Do you see how it nearly went back into this volume imbalance over there? I'm wanting to see if it does reject decently off of it or not. That was quite a nice rejection from that level. Okay, but we do indeed have quite a few minutes to go still until opening. So, can I get affiliated with MF? Juan, all I'm gonna say is give me a little bit of time. I'm gonna say that. Okay. I'm just gonna say that. Rashawn, I cannot complain. How are you doing? Price missed my buy limit by 1 tick. No! Microwave? That's not okay. That is not okay. Where? Where did you have your buy limit? That is so rude. That is so rude. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. You pulled a proper Maya there. Yes, Solly's not even here to relish in the fact that I'm calling unlucky things a Maya, but it's fine. I try not to have a bias before the market open. I play it as I see it live. I mean, that is valid, but it's not a bad idea to have a bias to have... How do I put this? I agree with you. Trade what you see, right? Trade what you see, but maybe have a point of interest that you would like to see it tap into before potential reversal, just to give you an idea of how to... what to aim for, maybe, is the correct word with that one. Yeah, I hope that kind of makes sense. Like here I had, no, sorry, down here. Where was the relative equal lows? There was relative equal lows down here. No, I lie. Where I took was the relative equal lows and then it continued lower down on the higher time frame. Come on, I show you the love on both. Oh, thank you. You are amazing. Debbie P, what's up? How are you? Did you trade London, Debbie? Sorry, I didn't even ask. I know you were here, but did you trade it? Do you normally trade London as well? My guys, I'm looking. Hey Dom, how are we? We go short 130 pips. Okay, so Dom is feeling a continuation to the sell side. Oh damn, Solly's here. The Maya special is putting stop loss 1 tick before reversal.
Emotional damage.
Moving on. Solly, by the way, you have access to the memes now. I don't know if you know that. You have access to the memes now. But I like Tradeify as a good one. I just don't like the cap on payouts. So interesting. I'm not mad, just sad. On ES, my entry level was 6928, and then it flushed recovery, and then if you look at the wick, you'll see how it missed me. 6928. Okay, wait, let's have a quick look at ES while we're waiting for open. 6928. I'm going the flipping wrong direction. no. Okay, but hear me out. Oh no, wait, here. This was your... I'm assuming this was your entry. Rough. I'm so sorry. On how do you get access to the memes? You gotta get a membership. Yeah, membership. When you are a member, I'm going to use that pun until the day I die. Watch me. When you are a member, you have access to the memes. No. Yes, I thought I wasn't going to see it. Oh my gosh. Good luck, everyone. I'm getting ready to market open. I'll be back around 10ish. Enjoy. Thank you for hopping on to join the madness before market open. Let's see. We do indeed still have 4 minutes to go. I have not checked the higher time frames. Let's quick sticks go through the higher time frames. Let's see how it's looking. Should we look at daily? Okay, let's have a quick look at daily. Oh, it could maybe push a tiny bit higher before reversal. What's this? 393. 393 level. You can see here it rejected off of this volume imbalance quite nicely and then went to the buy side. Okay. 393 454. Okay, 393. Let's remember that level. So that's the daily. Let's check the 4 hour. Update, that was that reversal. Where's 393? It's a little bit higher up into this order block. Okay. Down there, I wonder if we're gonna continue down to the 701 level. 4 hour, 1 hour. If we're gonna go down, we're gonna go to the 699-ish level, I believe. If we're gonna go up, we're gonna go to that 503. I did say 503, hey? Yeah, 503 level. Was it 503? Am I talking rubbish? Okay, wait, I'll confirm that now. A little bit of a change of character. Let's see if we get a breaker structure, then it's going to start being bullish. 15 minutes. Sorry. Alright, why did I miss my trade in the morning as well? Microwave? No, just the two. Just the two. So I have 2 live streams on YouTube, by the way. Yeah, this is what it took out, tapped into there. This would be the next point of interest, the 699. 699 if we continue to the sell side. 699 is a goodie. 5 minute, we have 1 minute to go. Hey, Antonio, what's up? Oh no, Tyler, don't worry, I just hopped on now. Yeah, I just hopped on now. Don't worry, I haven't been live this whole time. Yeah, I'm crazy, but I'm not... I was gonna say I'm not that crazy, but yeah, I think we all know me well enough to know that's a lie. Attention to London low, reset chart view, cool. Okay, let's now see 12 seconds to go. We got a good idea of where we headed now. Let's see, in 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Failing to break, but well, let me be quiet. Down to London low. Noise. Struggling to break. There we go. Damn, if I was trading Bob levels, I would have entered there, marketed in to go all the way down here. Let's see. That would have been entry. Let's see how this goes now. Holy guacamole, what an... What an opening candle. Wow. London low taken. Damn. Okay. No. So I have a vertical and a horizontal stream. Okay, here's the 930 range. Awesome. $9.30 range. Cool. Let's see what we get now. Like I said, if I was doing bob level to bob level, I would have entered around here, marked it in. TP would have been around 946. I love to see the sell-off, honestly. I do, actually. It's just not ideal. I don't really focus too much on it, but yes, I do. That's all today? Done? Dom, nice. That done trading within a minute. I would say that's a buy-in. Really? Why? Now gotta wait for first presented. Good sell-off there. I mean, it just took out London low. What, do you think it wants to now head for London high? Is that what you're thinking? Is that what you're feeling? My whole strategy is based on selling off. At least that's not being a sellout, hey? But, oh, that was so bad. That was so bad. I'm so sorry. I thoroughly apologize for that horrific joke I just made. That was not okay, but we're sticking with it. We're just gonna keep going. We're just gonna keep going. Anyways, do you think you're funny? I honestly don't, but I honestly don't. I know that I'm not funny, but now and then I have to make those jokes that you kind of want to be like, ugh. Literally. I'm just looking at buying low, selling high. I mean, that's fair, John. Was that the whole move? That would actually suck. Wait, Microwave? You don't think I'm funny? Wow. Hey, Low Labs, what's up? Hey, KK options? What the heck? Are you done trading? Was that like it? Did you get what you wanted and now you're done? Nice. Oh, by the way, sorry. I'm so rude for anyone, especially Dom, anyone that did get in on this and got a winning trade. Whoop whoop. Well done. Amazing. Okay, out of my gold trade with TP. If I was my old self in my first year of learning trading, I would have jumped like my old self. Was really proud of me. Well done, Roshan. That is awesome. See, this whoop whoop is also for you. Well done. 2 trades, 1 to the downside, then 1 6 back up. Damn. Damn, so you're a proper scalper. Hey, Dazza, what's up? Let's go, everyone. Good luck. Honestly, well done. Yeah. Seriously, shout out to everyone that's already had a winning trade and you guys are done for the day. Damn. That's impressive. That's really impressive. Well done, guys. Seriously. Well done. Y'all guys, don't forget to press that like button. It is Valentine's, so little hearts to everybody. That's why I got these little floating hearts all the way around. Mohammed, I'm good. How are you doing? How goes it? How goes it? I will check the higher time frames now. Just give me a minute. I don't want to hurt my brain. Dazza, how's my day been? My day's actually been good. It's been a good day. How's your day been, Dazza? How was everyone's weekend? Let's maybe start with that. How was everyone's weekend? Did you guys get to chill a little bit? Was it meh? Did you manage some back testing? Yeah. How was it all for everybody? Today got 4.k, but would have gotten more if I haven't slept on my first trip. Oh no, sucks to be you. Sorry, that was so sassy, but seriously, brag much? But well done. Really, really well done. I am fully green this week. Monday, let's go. I love it. Going back to school tomorrow? No, yucky. Ew, why? Also, so late. Why are you only going back to school tomorrow? What? Hey, yeah guys, did anyone do homework on the weekend? I did! I did homework on the weekend. Did you, Solly? Did you do homework on the weekend? The silent hours, what's up? Code and indicate what's happening. Now I sell signals, aka where majority of my income comes from. Oh damn, that's nice. Man, I hate school so much. I live in Australia. Oh! When do school... What? Sorry, that kind of messed with my brain a little bit. Oh, the 9:30 and the 5-minute are basically samesies. We have not got a first presented yet either. That's not what I wanted to do. That's what I wanted to do. Okay. Breaking above it now. I think this might start to push bullish. Why Antonio gap close at 128? This is just struggling to break either direction right now. Massive wick on the 5-minute. Let's check the 5-minute. Oh damn. Massive wick. Okay, yeah, this then looks like the buyers are coming to play. The buyers are coming to play, people. Let's do this. Okay, so reversal. New York reversal. Look at that. Just with my little ones hanging out on the weekend. Oh, John, that's amazing though. Currently 1:37 a.m. Go to sleep. MMBM. There's the SM2. 1. This being 2. Sorry, Antonio, I'm new with the MMXM. Would this be like 1, 2, which means down 3, 4, 5 before reversal back up? Is that maybe correct? Like I said, I'm slowly figuring it out. I don't know it very well. I'm not the best at seeing it. I see the SMT that was created here. But is that, am I seeing that correctly? So it would look basically something like, so like maybe this is, I don't know if that would be 0. Let's say this is 0. Then 1. This is going up to 2, and then there would be 3 down here. 4, say 5, and then it would shoot to the buy side. Is that correct? Am I seeing that correctly, or am I talking rubbish? Like I said, I'm not great at seeing these. I'm not great, but do I have the correctish idea? Roshan, BTW, how to access the meme. So if you are a member, then you have access to the memes. Hey Manav, what's up? How you doing? Mikawabas, I just realized, do you start trading at 3 a.m. in the morning? No. South Africa actually has, if I do say so myself, the best times to trade. So for me, London Open is at 10 a.m. in the morning, and then New York Open is at 4:30 p.m. in the evening. And then when daylight hours change a little bit, then London is at 9 a.m. and New York is at 3:30 p.m. But either way, it's during the day. I'm happy. I just realized. Are you from USA? No, I'm from South Africa, guys. What's up? Is this paper trading, Manav? No, this is not paper trading. This is prop firm trading. We're pretty into it, even if... Oh, maybe don't do that, but I mean, you can, I guess. That feels like a bad idea, but you do you. Long coming? Yes, I'm pretty sure that's the wrong way around. For a buy? No. Member how? There's a membership. That's a very good question, guys. How do you get the memberships? Solly, how do you get the membership? Sorry, I don't know what it looks like from that side of the world. Looking for a good prop firm to trade parts. Hot rod. Antonio. She called it. How are you doing? Did you watch the Super Bowl in your location? Nah, we don't got Super Bowl in South Africa. It's not really a thing we celebrate here. Just took the same long at the same time off the same 1 hour fair value gap as Friday. Literally the same trade, just slower today. Well, aren't you just cool, Solly? Damn. Alright, I'm so confused. Then how are you halfway around the world and only 2 hours ahead of me? Microwave, where are you at again? Target the 4 hour fair value gap and 1 hour fair value gap. You're from South Africa, same as my ex. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm in a pattern with touch points. It's either we're in a market maker buy model or sell model. We're in a buy model explains a smart money reversal. See, OTT, that was not what I was taught, which is where then I get confused. Here's the first presented. Not caps. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. See, this is then what ends up confusing me, because I was told basically, I don't want to say the opposite, but basically the opposite. Bounced off a VWAP here, is above VWAP on ES. Shoot. A little bit stuck on ES. Broke above, didn't quite enter far enough down. It would be nice to see it want to take out the Asia highs. Is it gonna take out the Asia high though? Meh. Join. Oh, there we go. There's a button that says join next to the subscribe button above description. There we go. For those asking about the membership. John, what do I normally trade? Always the Nasdaq futures for now. For now. I said I want to get good at one asset, so when I pass this eval, maybe I'll start looking around a little bit more, but for now. Did you just call that boy microwave? Sorry, have you only heard that now? I always call him microwave. I've never called him microwave. It's always microwave. Just because of that. Is it a meme? I don't even think it's a meme. There was a video going around where a lady didn't call it a microwave. She called it the microwave. And ever since that day, I call the microwaves a microwave because it's just too funny. You know what? ICT, if you really want to understand it properly, it's not a pattern with like 6 touch points. See, OTT... Now my brain's gone again. New York session, first 1 minute fair value gap retested. Yep. Tapped into it. But that being said, it is not rejecting off of it. It's kind of stuck between the first presented and VWAP right now. On ES. Ah. On MNQ. Come on, Maya, wake up. On ES, it's above VWAP. It broke below the relative. My brain is working faster than my mouth can move. It broke above the relative equal highs. There we go, nailed it. Broke above the relative equal highs on ES and now consolidating slightly. There we go. So actually this would have been a win. I want to say I would have needed more confirmation, but let's see. Here is that volume imbalance. I want to see if it respects it again. If we start pushing further up. It's stuck on ES now. I'm in London. Am I London open? Is that like 8 AM? NWOC high touched and reversed. Yep. Is futures easier than forex? Does anyone here trade forex and futures? I've heard it is, but I don't want to say because I've never traded forex, so I can't really have a proper opinion about it. I have just heard that futures is easier than forex. Is future and could I trade it during London like 2 a.m. for me? Yes, you can. You can trade London session, 100%. Being so posh that she doesn't know how to say. It's hilarious. Thank you, Dom Long. No, I know. I want to say I missed this. Did I miss it? I kind of missed it. There's no news today, right? Is there news today? There's no news today. Here's the 15-minute. This damn 15-minute is ridiculous, but whatever. Oh my gosh, I drew that like an absolute chop. Nope, I did the wrong freaking... You know what? One day the brain cells will kick in. One day. Maybe not today, but one day. Retest into it, broke above there. Retest into there. When he broke above on 1 minute there. Shoot. Would I have done that though? No, I probably would have done that, so that would have taken me out by a tick. That would have been so rude. Yeah, this is gonna start pushing up now. Looking at ES that looked like a fake out to the sell side. Let's see, let's go to the 5-minute quickly. Continue back up. We haven't really retraced back into here on the 5-minute, but we did break above that high. Want to see continuation higher up, a proper break above. Let's check 15-minute quick sticks. 15 minutes going up and away. Where's that 1 hour point that I was super interested in? Asia high. That's represented over here. Ooh. That's interesting. Okay, there's my 390 point of interest. Okay, let's see how it reacts there. 4 hour, I apologize. I know this looks like a mess right now. I thoroughly apologize. Said if this starts going back up high enough. 446, maybe above 514. That was at 514 level. 514, 514, 514. To be fair, I think I did mark it earlier this morning. I did mark that 514 level, yes I did. Except 517. Right above this London high. Okay. Watermelon Asia high. Good rejection off of there. I would like to see it take London high now. Good retest back into there. Shoot. It's failing to break above. I'm not quite seeing the push I want to be seeing. What does this look like on the 5-minute? No, still no push down. We're clearly in a bit of a value level over here, so there we go. See back into VWAP. This volume imbalance has been taken, don't need that anymore. Sure. That would have hurt my feelings. Okay. Oh gosh, for my extra shot. I'm so sorry. Hey Bob, what's up? How's it going? Is Nasdaq good for London? Hot Rod, I've enjoyed London. A lot of people don't like London for Nasdaq, but I like it. I like it. Call me crazy, but it's the same. A couple of years, Forex been stale and futures has been moving, so everyone jumped ship. That's interesting. Midnight opening gap level. Yamaya, did you take 15-minute break? Hey, Justin. No. I did not take the 15-minute break. I was looking at it, but I have not taken it. Did you take it, Justin? Level of interest, it's reacting to daily wick level. Yes, if you're saying you did an epic podcast on his channel about bouncing off first fair value gap once again. Yep. 75 points for today is enough. Capped it and pooped itself. Sorry. My gap fill trade overnight worked out. It did, Bob, I was watching it. I sent you a whoop whoop because I was like, oh my gosh. What the heck? It worked like a charm. Did you see London's freaking trade? Just like in general, did you see it going level to level? Did you see how it literally tapped into the level there, rebounded off of it, and then went down? Obviously, it didn't quite reach the bottom of the level there, but that's okay. And then here it went back up into the bob level, back down to the next bob level. Here it just missed tapping, but it's okay. Why is this wicking out so much? Seriously, why is this wicking out so much? In and out, I appreciate your advice. Been working on my edge and backtesting. Oh, nice, Hot Rod. How long have you been backtesting slash trading for? Have you looked at a prop firm, or what's your plan? If you want to join Discord and ask more questions, you're more than welcome to, by the way. Discord is in the description below. Oh, thank you, Justin. I appreciate that. We call that the Robert. No, it's Bobbert. Bobbert. Getting me excited to talk about all these bumps. I pop my head back and pop that. I know that's not how the song goes, but for some reason, that's what popped into my head. Let's not judge. What's that new silly trend that's going through? We listen and we do not judge. I feel like that's a lie, but okay. All lies. Okay. Let's do this. Let's do this. This is for what you said, Mikawabe.
That's what she said.
That's just for what you said there. Going back in. Seriously? 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 I want to see this daily. Wait, let me actually do this. The daily wick. Interesting, it's still respecting the 50% of this fair value gap on the daily. On the daily. I really thought it would want to come and take out this volume imbalance. Might still want to push. Let's see, let's go back. I'm really trying hard to take more notice of things. A bit, you know, like be aware of your surroundings, if you will. That maybe sounds weird, but you know what I mean. That's a big retracement. I'm a little nervous. Yep. OTT, what's my bias? I did want to say bullish. I was feeling bullish, but now I'm a wee bit nervous. Yeah, my bias was bullish. It's still respecting this first presented, but not with enough. Again, there's not enough oomph going on. It was a little bit like how London started, so maybe we just kind of stay hands off until the oomph starts to come into play. if it comes into play. I still want to see it tap into that volume imbalance on the daily, but maybe it's just not going to happen. Let's see, if I had done this, would have had 1, 2, Okay, and shelf, I technically would have had 3. Let's see. I just don't like that it has to go directly through. Give me 2 seconds, guys. Give me 2 seconds, I'll be right back. Sorry, okay, I'm back. It's okay. We're good, we're back. Whew. Hey Rusty, what's up? Put a flip from top of wick to bottom. Next up. You guys still think long one? Let's see, I see the first one just nice green candle. I told you we listen, we don't judge when you're not on the Discord chat. I'm insulting your bob levels. Mikuwabe, listen here. So you're neutral then. Basically OTT. I'm kind of neutral until this. Yeah, I'm neutral. OTT, what are you looking for now? I think it's so crazy that Maya has a magic pool in her office. My eyes were crying, my mouth was saying they were crying for nothing, they were hot. Oh, Rashan, that was good. Hey Tom, what's up? How's it going? How goes it, Tom?
Hello. Oh, there's a little Terry. What's up? What's up?
How cute. Come on. He's the bestest. JV Joe, I don't even know what that means. Who is it? I don't know who that is. Anyways. Tom, how you doing? How's everyone's trading been going? I'm waiting for more confirmations. I mean, this would be in the... It's respecting the first presented just too nicely. Can't believe I'm saying that, but it is. But it's literally pinballing between VWAP and the first presented right now. Literally. Bing, 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 bing. Bing, 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 bing. Oh, hello. Hi. Okay. How many trades did I take today? I've only taken 1 today. You missed the train. I wouldn't call this a train right now. This is... I mean, this, I guess, is a very slow choo-choo train going, I think I can, I think I can, I think I can, I think... I wouldn't call this a train. This is not like steamrolling off without me. This is... Yeah, this is going up a hill ever so slowly. This is an... Oh! Wait, how many trades did I take? Oh, great. Well, I'm bullish, but doubt I'm gonna trade anything. I won't get point of interest to go long from. Okay, that makes sense. Not lying. I think we found our blind date. I don't think, but I don't think he's from South Africa, are you? Sorry. I've started trading Nasdaq for the first time. Well, just some back testing needed. Okay, Tom, and what do you think? What do you think about it? And now he's lying, so I won't be able to move. This is where I live now, so that's okay. But yeah, Tom, what do you think about the Nasdaq? Apart from her being a little bit of a diva. Because she can be a bit of a... I mean, that's a solid wick. That solid wick down. Tapped into the shelf rejection. If it was gonna go, you'd want to see it going. Seriously, pinballing. There we go, now it's I want to say now it's starting, but it's not really starting. Come on. Okay. Hey, prosperous Jerry, what's up? No, unfortunately, I'm in New York City. Oh, New York City. Is New York as pretty as they all make it sound, like in the movies and stuff, or is it... I don't want to say this mean, but is it overrated? Prosperous Jerry. Sorry, I'm just going to call you Jerry because my brain's having a malfunction. How long have I been trading? I have been trading for a year in April. Yeah, how long have you been trading for, Jerry? Aditya, what up? Did you create CryptoGPT pick? Where is it? I did. Don't judge me, but I actually did. It is on my Discord. You guys want to see it? It's super cute. Do you want to see my little caricature? For those of you that have me on Discord, you would have seen it. For those of you that do not, you know the trend going around. I'm low-key embarrassed that I did it, but it's too cute to not love it. How freaking adorable can you see? Has my horse, has my dog, has the markets. I love it. I absolutely... There we go. You can see it a little bit. Oh, not that much better, but there we go. You can see it a little bit better. How cute. Not enough backtesting info for my strategy at the moment, but seems okay. No, it's not pretty. It's super overrated. New York hasn't been New York since the 90s. It's probably going to be a flag day. No, microwave. Why? Also, isn't like Flag Day celebrated somewhere? Who celebrates Flag Day? I'm pretty sure Flag Day is celebrated somewhere. I mean, this would be promising. The fact that it keeps wanting to break, but it's still just pinballing. For lack of a better word, this is pinballing, and it's what I said this morning, and I'm going to tell myself again, do not diddle in the middle. It's not worth it. Hands off until you get confirmation, or else it's just not worth trading it. You're gonna get yourself absolutely screwed for no reason. You're gonna get caught up in the mess. You're not here to get caught up in the mess, so it's hands off for now. If you're looking for the movie vibe, you're gonna get yourself hurt going to the movie vibe. I love it, but no, I don't think... Like I said, I don't think I'll ever go anywhere expecting it to be like a movie vibe. I'm not the main character. I'm the one in... I'm the NPC that walks around going, ooh. Yo, I really have a horse. Stuck inside the new weekly. Oh, it is too. Oh my gosh, so it's stuck between first presented, VWAP, and the new weekly opening gap. Literally trapped. I guess it's back in a bit of a volume area, isn't it? Huh, interesting, okay. Cheers, Dom, enjoy, well done. For today, by the way. Trade at the extremes on the 15-minute time frame. Me? No. Because on ES we had near 200 points trend since last week, and I'm expecting to go on a big downtrend in the next few months. Damn, guys, I found my soulmate. So funny. Like a vortex magnet stormed. A little bit, yeah. It is. It's just going wee 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 wee. Part of me still wants to still wants to say it's going to break above, but let's not get any hopes. Again, I don't like using the word hope. Let's not get expectations up. 48, I'm done trading for the day. I'm gonna still watch the trade a little Indian GDX. Holding most of it. Damn, you're holding nice, John. Do I trade the power hour? JV Joe, which do you count as the power hour? Because I've come to realize that different people have different opinions about what the power hour is. Take my heart for free. Damn, look at you go. I have a suspicion it's collecting sell orders to then rip higher. I do agree with you, Solly. How weird. We don't normally agree. Makes me a little bit uncomfortable. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Jokes. I'm joking. Y'all solidly broke up below, failed to break. I think this is gonna start pumping up to the buy side. Retested into the 15-minute. Probably gonna retest again. If we get a decent push, I would like to see this happen. I would still low-key like to see this happen. This is not bad. I have to keep reminding myself not to diddle in the middle, but this as a trade wouldn't be the worst thing. Ah, there we go. Now we're starting to move. And mode 1, 2, 3. Buy side took out the highs. Okay. Trying to remind myself not to let myself be burnt by doing something too quickly. But it is beautifully on the levels. I do have a fair value gap. I have everything I want to see here. Let's see, for a buy. 3 would be better. I don't think this is gonna come back down. Now I feel like you can say I missed the train, but that being said, it still hasn't quite reached the level I wanted it to reach. It's about to. If it comes back now, it's still at quite a nice point. Let's see. Let's see if it retraces just before taking out this high. Like I said, nah, I don't think so. Come on, a little bit of a retrace here. I'm grandma fighting for first one. David is there! Rough! Good grief! The door's gonna get hit without me. Oh well. Oh no! OTT, were you looking for London High? Was that your draw? Ah, time for me. Most trades done in. JV Joe, the 1 minute. Australia's finest bounty. I'm not in. I'm not in. My entry would be down here at 159. Hey, now it is hands off for the whole trade. Sounds like a good chance. Where I had a trade at open, a fair value gap inside the break, no trade. I would good right now. London I already hit. I mean, has it? Theoretically, it hasn't hit properly. No, it still hasn't hit London High. Just saying. Well, on ES. I mean, crying out loud. On NQ. Flip sakes, Maya. You're such a chop sometimes. Oof, the only downside with this is that the first presented is below my stop loss. Sugar honey iced tea. Let me check the 5 minute. Oh, the chaos. So much chaos. Get rid of the chaos. Oh. London High. I think it's now taken out the London High. Let me confirm. London High would have been the best draw. I mean, 346 is pretty good, but anyways. Nah, this is gonna keep going, I think. Yeah, this is gonna keep going. London High, Asian High, 4 hour ER. Oh, she's doing great. Hey, Space Eagle, what's up? One plus. I didn't hear any pushbacks on my rankings. Here's Australia's finest and I'm New York's finest. Oh my gosh. Geordie, I had a trade during London, nothing yet. I've placed this trade, but I was confirming via the higher time frames, and I think this is now officially taken out yet. My point of it has not taken out London high yet on NQ, but it has taken it out on ES, which is frustrating. Let's see. Stopped at 12k in profit. I'm done for the day. Oh, damn. It's sitting above last month's low. It's up from here if a pullback doesn't happen towards 24966. Interesting. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Cheers, Juan. Well done. Thank you for joining. No, I doubt I'm gonna get any. Hasn't taken relative equal highs yet. JB? Which relative equal highs are you looking at? Which time frame? Oh, I'm not a fan of this. I'm not a fan of that. That's not good. Let me check out something on ES. Oh. That's not good. This long off open, nothing crazy. Hold the trade, it'll hit your TP. Let's see, my knees are cramping from sitting on my legs. What's the trade? I'm done for the day, so I'll just chill. Oh, nice, aren't you cool? 15 macro for Asia high next. Oh, let's see, Antonio. Yeah, PA is not ideal today. I will not call price action ideal today. I have my confluences. Leave it alone. If it takes me out, it's not because I didn't have an A+ setup. Let me actually get rid of that for a minute. Looks like so. People can see. Watermelon Asia high. That's gonna be stuck in my head. Thanks for nothing, mud crab. Anyway, sorry. Never give up, never what? Never give up, never what? Sorry. That's just what popped into my head. If you're worried, put your stop on. Oh, Justin, I'm not in this trade. I'm waiting for it to come back and tag me in. My buy is at 159. I have a buy limit set up at 159. Took a short, 1.5R. That's not bad though. I personally wouldn't trade that plus you have a win today. Why not? Mikuave? Magnet around 257 and 18 Jan. Oh, 25700. The vortex. Dun dun dun. Sorry. If price closes above 25182. I mean, it is. It is. It's not going below. I think this is gonna run away without me. Let's see. Let's see. It's hands off. I like what it is. Okay, I'm gonna take a brief pause to remind you guys, because I can, that I am now officially affiliated with Tradeify. So if you guys want to show some support and some love, if you guys have Tradeify, if you want to go check out Tradeify, they're very, very cool. Oh, there's London Heights again. No. That's what I mean. Sorry. If you guys want to use my code to get a discount, currently there's 30% off of everything, or 40% off of 150k select. With the Tradeify account, you can use my code. It's TeachMaya. I did pin it as well. So my heart for free. Take good care of it. I'm on it. Because we don't know if we're stuck in the flag range yet. I think you're right in the middle of that range. Interesting. Is it good for US traders? Traderify? Yes, it is. Damn, JB. Is your caps lock on? I feel like your caps lock is on. Sugar honey iced tea, man. Good trade idea, just didn't come back down far enough. That's okay. Didn't even tap into it on ES either. Which means this might come and retest one more time. Ooh. That might be pushing it though. But taps in, it might come retest one more time before continuation back up. That might be interesting. That might be interesting. That might be interesting. Let's not jump to conclusions. Breathe. 4 hour. Wait, before I do anything and you guys hate me. 4 hour. Then I don't have to give you guys a flash warning. Back up to this 5-1 level. Sorry. I know I'm checking everything. It did mitigate this imbalance quite nicely. Continuation back up. Into the level, a little bit of a rejection off of there. Interesting. Okay, I've rejected quite nicely. I'd like to see a bit of a rejection off of here. What's that? 403. Just above this high, but I do think we might continue up a little bit higher. Let's check the 1 hour. Oh, we've now created some equal low. Me. I wouldn't quite call it equal lows, but anyways. But I want to see this tap in a little bit higher. 396, but good change of character. I want to see a break of structure. Proper break of structure. So if we break above, then we have confirmation of a bit more of a break of structure. Sorry, I know I'm talking to myself. I'll answer you guys now. I do talk to myself often. I do apologize. I know I'm very, very weird. I'm so sorry. Nice break above. Ooh. Damn, if it had come back, it would have actually been such a banger trade. Shoot, man. Okay, let's zoom in. See what we're working with. Next level up, 265. 266, 265. Cool. 266, 265. Let's check the 5 minute for confirmation on that. Yeah, 266, 2. English, I'll find it 266 or 265-ish level. There, that's not a bad point of interest. Is it going to come back down though? 1 hour. Okay. Okay, now that we broke above, where's that 266? Ooh, just before first presented from Monday. Oh, you're not gonna come back to retest, are you? I don't know why this is stuck in my head. Still hasn't come back down to retest this. I think this is just gonna keep going. Bye-bye. Oops, stopped out. No, Tom, I'm so sorry. Catch it, but just stop it. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I just read that now. Performance over money. You have nice performance. Thank you, Space Eagle. I appreciate that. We're probably gonna take out Asia highs. Watermelon Asia high. I use efforts versus results as my strategy. I got streak and lose confidence again. My life sucks. No. It's not a losing streak. It's a lesson streak. I had to keep telling myself that last week. I also had a lot of lessons last week. Next roll 270. RH and a quadrant of daily work. Hey, Mr. Bale, what's up? How you doing? Hit the like button, everyone. Thank you. 266 below 15-minute fair value gap. Bouncing off last session highs. Sure will retest that take profit one hit. Let's see. 2 hours been very volatile. Would I call it volatile? Just a pain in the butt. Sure. Even that didn't run away. This is just going away without me. Pressing above 258 is the main point of interest. A reversal consolidation could happen there. It's about to get there. It's about to get there. I had one big lesson last week. Yeah, they happen. Big lessons really do happen. 285 is my next draw. So like in the middle of the first presented from Friday. Is that why you do homework on the weekend? Because you had so many lessons during the week? Sorry, I did homework during the weekend. Good grief! Who are you? I would say my mother, but my mother never cared if I did homework or not. Oh, my teachers? No, you kind of are my teacher. Damn, I can't even say that. Sugar honey iced tea. Captain to Bob level. Sorry, deep in thought. Trying to decide about this. I theoretically have three. I theoretically have three, but it hasn't retested far enough down on any of the previous ones, which means we are due for a bit of a bigger retest back down. Further back down, it's taken out a bunch of liquidity. 5.8, you want to see it start pushing up into that. The bigger one down there. Okay, let's see. Thanks, Bob. Bob, did you get a trade? Did you? I hope Shredify invites you for a live stream so we can all spam their chats. Oh my gosh. Wait, what do you mean invites you for a live stream? What? Wait a minute, is that a thing? I would think it's almost time for it to retrace. John, that's what I'm also thinking. It's just how big is the retracement going to be? Because... I think it's going to be a bigger retrace. It's taken out quite a bit of the buy-side liquidity. Maybe I'm wrong and maybe this would have worked. Like I said, technically this has 3 of the confluences, but I prefer this bigger one. It's just better. And with how much stronger it is on the sell side on NQ compared to ES. Let's see, maybe it's a mistake to not take this one. But I'm hesitating. Hesitation means don't do it. It's then not worth it. I know I'm kind of doing that woulda, shoulda, coulda situation, but... You know, tapped into the shelf isn't quite rejecting off of it. It did kind of reject off of this little bit of an order block here. Not quite enough. I'm gonna have to now. That sounds cool. Until... Be right back. I can't even win on practice accounts. Been trying for weeks. Shocker? What? How do I put this? What's happening? Is it just that Maybe you're not understanding your strategy. Maybe you don't know when or how to execute it. Does the strategy maybe not make sense to you? That's also possible. Hey, tribal pips. There's a consolidation in those areas. Yes. Jordy, you're short. You're doing bob to bob. Hey, Viral Divas, what's up? How you doing? Love from Africa. Oh no. Hey, Abdul, so what's up from South Africa? How's it going? Yeah, there we go. Listen to yourself sometimes. Didn't quite hit that level that I wanted to see it take out though, but that would have been a... Stop, this is what I'm curious of. I got a lot here. Sugar honey iced tea, maybe I'm too late. Sorry, I'm being so quiet. I actually want to see if this goes below, potentially. I mean, quite a decent projection off. I want to see it take this and then go, though. Maybe I'm being a fool. I want to see it first tap into... quite a decent supply zone going on around here. I feel like I'm going to click this buy button and it's just going to drop to my stop loss. Yeah, a little above 12 action. Don't you just love how quick it is? No, it's ridiculous. Keep going down. If it then reverses back up, I might... Sure, I mean, the buyers want to come into play. Maybe we're gonna retest back into here one last time. Maybe I'm wrong. Sorry, I know I'm being super quiet. Sure ideas, maybe pass proper. Hey, let's do it, Abdul. I'm super. Yellow contract. I want to see if it was a good read. I feel I got lucky on that one though. I think a lot of people are looking at a possible head and shoulders phenomenon. Interesting. Oh my, the hesitation. I can feel it through the screen. Yeah, it's pretty solid. That being said though, it is a good setup. Shoot. I just don't like what's probably formed on the 5 minute. I haven't even checked the 5 minute. Ah, it was actually pretty solid. Shoot. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Oh man, what the heck is wrong with me? Seriously? I'm gonna beat myself up for this one. Yeah. The woman trying to goodbye here, Bounty, yeah. I did not swear. I said sugar honey iced tea. No OTT, but you are correct. You are correct. I hesitated. I shouldn't have hesitated. It was a goodie. I had everything. That was on me. Collabs, yo, jump it. No, I don't do that. Part of me wanted to, but I was like, no, just behave. Don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. It develops a head and shoulder pattern, then I would wait for retracement down to that level. Created an SMT on ES now. Took that. It still hasn't come back 50% of that level. Wait. Do you know what I didn't do? I didn't check if this retraced. It did not. That one was a goodie. Cool. Oh, I'm gonna kick myself for that one. Solly?
Emotional damage.
That was so mean. That was so mean. We got nothing but time. No, Geordie, you're right. You're right. You are correct. I will still put it in the accountability part on Discord though, because I should have taken it. I don't know why I hesitated so much, but I guess if you're hesitating, don't do it, right? And stuff up, but to partial, short, and nice, JB. That's not bad. That's good. Believe that feeling. Then easy comes. Yeah, I'm gonna most likely be grumpy at myself. I mean, look at that engulfing candle. Like, what in the great goodness is that? So it's most likely gonna go up and hit TP. I mean, it's right by Mondays, Fridays. First presented fair value gap and my point of interest. Oh! Why, oh why am I such an idiot? Can't learn stuff presentation, I just take the trade. Yeah. All I did was click the button, you did all the hard work framing the trade. You're welcome, I guess. Rude. Oh gosh, where's the next resistance? Back. No, honestly, this is just so valid.
Emotional damage.
Yo, y'all are nasty. Can you show chart of 4 hours and the 1 hour? I can now. The boys are mean today. Listen, to be fair, I've been a little bit mean to Miku Wave today as well, so yeah, me. This could still take this out as well. 1, 2, 3. Don't be greedy about it. This does not have 3. I lie. That just has a really big fair value gap. Oh, I'm gonna kick myself. I'm actually gonna kick myself. I'm gonna kick myself so hard for not taking this. I'm out. That was a nice trade. Still might drop from here. Tom, I don't know. Do you think this might just be like bouncing betwixt the bob levels? I wonder. Maybe. Also, liquidity stops on those previous lows. I don't know, the 15-minute tends to give a little bit of a clearer direction of the day, so, or New York session, that's just, and it is saying we're going up. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's only Monday. It's only the beginning of the week. There's plenty of time. It's not the end of the world. Can I kick you? You can, Mikuave. Go for it. Kick me. Kick me real hard. Hey, Roshan, what's up? Stop hunting before ripping up again. supply zone. I mean, it's created one heck of a SMT. Thank you so much, best trader ever. No. Oh my gosh. Oh, what's wrong with me? Oh, this is gonna start freaking pumping now, watch it. It still has to close. You've done well today, take a breather. Oh, thanks, Mal, I appreciate it. Solly's a sad... Solly's... What do you mean when he wants to be? Solly is always... There's my TP. Where's that sad music? I need that sad music. I need this right now. What was my point of interest? Oh, I'm a sad Maya B now. Oh, so sad. You missed a good trade right there. Oh! What is wrong with me? Oh, I'm gonna... Okay. Okay. Let's get back to sitting like a normal human being. Let me put this... It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Let's post this on the accountability because I have to keep myself accountable for being an idiot sometimes. It's gonna keep going now. I can see it. Drinks on me, guys. TP hit account pass. In the email. Stop being so mean. Damn, Solly. The 2 bullish counts, 50 minutes. I thought this was. Emotions and FOMOs are not working markets. No, I know. I know, Mal. I know. You're in TP. Close the trade. I'm not in the trade. I'm not in the trade. I'm not in the trade. Sad. So sad. So sad. Well, I took a screenshot and I put it... It's taken out my Maya level. I have a Maya level. I had a Maya level. Went back into this first presented. I'm so angry right now. If it would have been a good winner, but who cares? It's one turn. You already have profits today, so it's also smart to be hesitant as you have protected your capital and kept a winner in the books. Don't stress. Yes. Mr. Bryant, are you just there like, what is wrong with this chick? And you're like, oh, got it. She's just a mess. That's what I do. I'm here, I'm a mess. It's apparently just who I am now. Oh my gosh, this is where like having a little... Oh, I should get a little slime that I can just punch. Facts, you got this. Thank you, Mr. Brian. I appreciate that. Solly is just over here with one thing. One thing that he wants to do.
Emotional damage.
That is it. He is here solely for that. That's my just remember my one from earlier. It might make you feel better. Mikuabe. That's valid. Sorry, that sounds so mean, but you know what? When you're right, you're right. Tapped into that first presented. It's been respecting that first presented like a mad lad. Okay, let's check the 5 minute. Let's not let FOMO win though. To technically have a bit of a I do not like it on the 15 minute. Why did I go? No, I'm on the 5-minute, not the 15-minute. What does it look like on the 15-minute? It's taken out my point of interest. The next point of interest would most likely be then Asia high if it breaks above this first presented. Literally wicking out of that one pretty solidly. I want to see if it breaks above nicely. I might be able to go bob to bob. I don't have to get a trade in. I don't have to get a trade in. Day trader, not every day trader, not every session trader. Like you said, I'm preserving the capital that I got this morning. This would have been a banger, but stuff happens. Sorry, this is more just me talking myself out of being emotional, because emotions, like you said, are no place for the charts. Leave your emotions at the door. Okay, okay. I don't know why I said it with such sass, but we're going with it. Okay, ooh, let me actually close this. I want to check the daily again quickly. Still hasn't tapped into this 396 level. 390, 396 level. That is my next point of interest. I think it wants to come and mitigate this volume imbalance. Okay. That's my next point of interest. Let's see if it heads there. There's nothing hectic on the daily. Let's check the 4-hour. Okay, still needs to go higher up. 366-ish level. Yeah, 409, around there. Okay. So above this high is what I want to see. There's no emotions for the charts. Exactly. Ninja, what a crazy open who's still... Listen, Ninja, don't even talk to me right now, okay? Just don't even talk to me. Oh, I still can't believe we got Tradeify. Yeah. Thank you, Jordy. Jordy, do you use Tradeify? Asking for a friend. Sorry, 4-hour, 1 hour. It's about to hit this little bit of resistance zone. Let's see if it can break above into this level. What's this? 396. Yeah, 390-ish, 396. That 390-ish level is good. Okay. See, that's what I want to see it take. Back to the 1 minute. Let's see. Okie dokie. I'll just mute myself then. No, Ninja, I'm sorry. I'm being super salty. I didn't take my trade. I did put it under accountability. You can go check it out. My accountability. Do you want to see the trade that I did not take? That I had set up and I hesitated and I hesitated and I hesitated. I had that. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful in and up. Yeah. To say I'm very disappointed in myself is a bit of an understatement, but I guess it is what it is. We continue. This now kind of looks like it's bull flagging slightly. A little bit of a coil. I would like to see a proper rejection coming off here. That's why I'm being salty, but I am in the green for the day, so actually I should just get over myself. I'm in the green. I'm just being salty because it would have been nice to have gotten that trade as well. I'll get over myself. Oh, yes, still gotta count with them if they're giving you giveaway accounts. I feel like maybe we should have a goal. So I was thinking about it today, right? Let's have a goal, because there's a way for me to get giveaway accounts, but maybe let's say if 10 people, how does that sound? 10 seems very manageable and very doable. If 10 people use my code, I think 10 is decent. If 10 people use my code on Tradeify, I'll do a giveaway. Try to take upside with small quantity. Just lie. Ninja, but why? Because I'm an idiot. Yeah, basically. Ninja, I think it's because I was in the green and then I was like, this was a very quick push to the sell side, and when it's done that before, it tended to be the reversal. And I've done it before where I've entered on in the damn reversal, so I didn't trust myself. Like I said, I had such a banger this morning. I should have just trusted myself, but it's okay. And I should have. My gut's being pretty on point because I had the smaller range set up and I said I don't like the smaller range. I had this range set up and I said I don't like it because it had just taken out highs and just tapped into the bob level, and thank heavens. But then I didn't trust it for the bigger one, and I should have, and that's on me.
But it's fine.
Bounty. Yeah. When you get 15k subs, account giveaway. I mean, that's also not a bad one. One question for science. What year did the world get upgraded? Yeah! That's hilarious. Upgraded with me. Wow, actually. OTT, are you still doing the pickup lines? That one's quite a banger. I like this one. I like this one a lot. Let me put it under the unhinged pickup lines. Important question for science. What year did the world get upgraded? I love it. Okay, girl, you missed a trade. It's better than a losing trade. No, you're right. 10's fair. There we go. Gerald FOMO? No, I
wish. Ugh.
I'm just a salty little Maya. I will get over myself shortly. Observing for sniper shots. I'm not good at sniper things. Just saying. Positive self-talk, babe. Or I'll smack you in the face. Oh, nice. Never mind. My bad. I don't know why I saw face. I was like, that's so aggressive. You're fine. I've lost thousands in the past. Just learn from the mistakes. John, no, you're right. I'd take a mistrade over a loss any day. True. There's a huge supply zone at 25358. $358. Ooh, I mean, I got that up. Interesting. This is my 390 point of interest. You can't yourself. It's a green day, so welcome to my life. I guess, Ninja. I guess. You know anything or application of someone's? Rango, do I know? Are you asking anything about 714 style on NAS 100? I know. What is 714 style? Ooh, I know about Experiment 626. Experiment 626 is very cool. We love Experiment 626. Okay. Ohana. Why did I just do that? Why did I just do that? That was so lame. That was... You know what? This is valid.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
Anyways, what's 626? Oh, you don't know Experiment 626? What about 714? I don't know what 714 is. I'm celebrating an early exit today because I made back all that I tilted away last week. Ninja! Whoop whoop, that is amazing. Jordy, I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed. Well done for Ninja. Actually, well done for anyone else that has had a winning trade. This whoop whoop is for all of you guys. I'm super proud of you. Well done, Sully, for taking the trade. I should have. I'm not angry. It's fine. The little blue brown stitch. Hey, Nick, what's up? I know the indices name, please. Of course you may. It's the MNQ, or the Nasdaq Futures Micros, to be specific. No, go have fun. We don't really watch the Super Bowl here in South Africa. Well, I don't. Jordy, I don't know if you watch the Super Bowl. Mine needs a hug. Let's all send our energy like we did when Goku was building the spirit bomb. No, but then I should be, I guess I am kind of yelling at myself. I should be going, ah! And I should take 50 episodes to do so. Oh, Lilo and Stitch, exactly, Jordy. Which is where the Ohana thing came from and why I'm cringing at myself for doing it. But, ooh. this, 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 this. This, 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 this. 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 Little trap there, but not bad. This, 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 this. If it could come back down, that would be great. I would actually like it to be a tiny bit higher, but it's okay. I was potentially looking at that, but that's pushing it. Maybe the entry there. Oh, I would like the entry there, but I like where the stop loss is with regards to this one. So maybe let's not push it. Let's not push our limit. Get it? Limit. Push our limit. Check's not 180. We would want that 216 level. No, you little bugger. Okay. I know it's in that fair value gap, but it's doing well there. I would like it to come back down. This is quite good. I like this level here. Maybe it's a mistake. Proper SMT there. Want it to be for highs, decent shelf. Let's see. Glad you liked it. I'll only drop bangers when the audience deserves it. 66 means day trading by someone's means price action during market hours session. Ninja, Hey, Can, what's up? We watch rugby over here, buddy boy. I had to hold my longs, but because the best day consistency rule, I had to bail on 13R. Damn, that's rough. You know, you're missing trading chances by reading great comments. Trading means isolation. just lying. Now listen, I'm sorry. Have you been watching charts on days where it's just the worst price action? Heck no, I don't want to sit there by myself on those days. Very much. Yes, they're miles. What's a Super Bowl? I said the Springboks have just fainted hearing that. Yep, a little bit. Everyone was really disappointed in me. It's okay. It's nothing I'm not used to. I like this for where the location is for that. I don't like where that is, so if this is going to be a loss, it's fine. That's considered a crime over here, to be honest. Oh no. Don't like that wig. I don't like that wig either. I'm gonna start chewing my nails at this point. Damn, I do go on. Or what if I still won? I'm a 90s child. I wanted to go slowly down though and fast up, so that's not bad. Slowly down, fast up, kind of stuck in there. It's in a little bit of a value area though. Meaning that's not quite what you want to see. Sorry, I'm talking to myself again. Hey, Madre. I feel like I butchered that. What's up? I'm not mad, just disappointed now even. Okay, valid. Which side trade? Side trade? Upward. Oh, I'm looking for a buy. These 80s kids, so am I. Any trades taken as of yet? JV Joe. Yeah, I missed a beautiful winning trade because I hesitated. So I've now set this one and it's hands off. It probably means it might be a loss because I now missed it, but I do like it. It has my 3 confluences, so hands off, leave it alone. The other one had my 3 confluences. I don't like how that one looks. I had this one earlier, but I think you saw that one here. Like I said, I missed this banger. I feel like a chop, but it is what it is. After waiting for the 15-minute candle to close in or out of 15-minute fair value gap to make decision on 1050 macro. Good buy side, but it is struggling to break above. Let's see. Up to Asia high would be no, but tag me in first before you go there. It's not going to tag me in, is it? What did I just say earlier? What did I just say about this? What did I say about entry would be better here? But this had better confluences. Sugar honey iced tea. Hands off Gabriella. I don't like that it's created a double top. That double top is not ideal on both ES and NQ. Oh, I want to bash my head against a wall after this. I was so happy after London, and now I'm such a grumpy goose. It's okay. So you are buying, you got it. I already answered me. He told me he won't let you go home with an empty wallet. Oh, well, I really appreciate that. Thank you.
Oh no.
Ah, I don't know why I'm slumping down today. What did I literally said I prefer this level for the entry. Look at that, 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 you mother fluffer. But I like that for shouldn't have liked it for an entry, should have liked it as a stop loss. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It just wasn't meant to be yet today. So leave it alone. It's gonna go up to Asia High now. It's about to start going. Game over. Oh my gosh. Thumbs up towards the screen. My all the love and patience. You guys are so sweet. Jeepers immediate profit. No, Geordie, honestly, I really wanted to. Trust your gut. Trust your gut. I preferred that as an entry. I should have just trusted it. Trust your gut. Trust your gut. What is wrong with you? And I would have headed for Asia High, which is where it's going now. Are we gonna do a retest back down here? No, maybe not. Probably not. No, 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 maybe. Please. So this now kind of feels like chasing and kind of feels like FOMO. Is this chasing and FOMO? It kind of feels like it. Back down into view app. Okay, you know what? This is my last attempt at a long. Back up to Asia High. Literally my last attempt. If it doesn't tag me in, or if it takes me out at freaking stop loss. Last attempt. Else clearly it's just not in the cards for me to get this today, and that it is what it is. Wanted there. There we go. It's a chasing and FOMO, probably. Hi, I'm back. I had to return my brain. Forgot how to act after sleep. Wow.
What a meditation.
Meant to be today, yeah. And back. It is right into that unmitigated supply zone. Yep, wait for potential reverse back down. Don't chase it, sit on your hands or walk away, stay patient. Gut Trust is gonna be the name of our band. Wait, what band though? I wouldn't even know you left. That's rough, Geordie. Rough. That is so rough. I got you, because that was hilarious.
Emotional damage.
That was so rough. That was mean. No, Ninja, now you're making me nervous. Don't do that. That's mean. Did it nicely there. I want to see it go midpoint. Pretty on point there. Let's see. I just had to. Yep, nope. Geordie's on a mission today. I love it. I love it. I love it. gonna go up to Asia high, isn't it? Like I said, this is my last attempt. It's my last attempt, or else I am solidly just chasing this. Except it's still going to my 390 point of interest. That is, but it might want to take out Asia high and then consolidate a little bit. I still really like that 390 level. Now it's gonna run away without me. Dom, I'm not in it. GPT prompts, they're freaking hilarious. Why did I see... Well, how many points target? Well, if I get tagged in, it would be, well, to be fair, my main target would be here, so 45 points. Around 32 points, but it's 2R, 1 to 2R. In general, it's 1 to 2R. No, not being me, just emotion damage. Gods, not sitting here and watching the emotion eat you. I know. 15-minute rejection block. Let's check the 5-minute. Oh, it hurts so much. It hurts so much knowing I should have gotten in there. Oh, it hurts. The pain. Okay, I'm being very dramatic. I'm sorry, I'll stop. I've got nerve myself now, it's fine. Like I said, if this just goes past, I think it's gonna start popping up now. If it goes above my TP, then that's my call to be just done for the day, or else I am chasing, and that's, I mean, theoretically I'm chasing low-key a little bit now, but I do like how it looks on the 1 minute. This is just redonkulous. So let's see, after Asia high we might have a hectic retracement back down, but I do think this is going to watermelon Asia high. Created an SMT again on ES. ES is a lot stronger than NQ today. So sad. So sad. It's a sad situation. I don't know why I'm singing random songs today, but anyway, sorry guys, you get to deal with whatever the heck this is. Sucks to be you. No, SDU. Might have a short of Asia high holds. Ooh. You think so? Let's see. I know with the lingo. Just pull seeing chat for a my stream chat is not something I expect. What is it? What does that mean? What does, I don't even want to say it out loud in case it's something bad. What is it? Ninja Sully, what does that mean? What's happening? I feel like I've missed some things here. Slow down, fast up, slow down, fast up. That's what you want to see. But with regards to a bullish flag, it's not ideal. This is a better bull flag than that. Okay. Do I actually want to know what's happening? Part of me feels like I don't actually want to know what's happening right now. If ES starts dropping, I'm actually kind of screwed. It's a nice bull flag on ES though. Not so much on NQ. And ES is definitely stronger than NQ, but it does mean if ES starts dropping down, NQ might fly down. Why? What does it mean? When I post on Discord, the feedback from my chat GPT. What does it mean? Bump into a young man wearing blue. No, now I'm scared. Now I feel like Solly's trying to get me beaten up. We know this because Solly bullies me, so I think Solly would love to see me getting beaten up. Because he beats me up emotionally all the time. Responsible. Go check it out. Something. He changed his last note. Watch me now be stubborn with this trade, and this is not the flipping trade I should be stubborn with. Bloods first. Okay, I'm curious and I need distractions, so sure, let me Google that. Okay. I do like that wick though. If it could just wick me in, that would be amazing. Bloods first. Rips. I got some because I heard others. What is it? Major American street gangs originated in LA, California, late. Oh! Often violent, territorial, and color-coded rivalry. Oh! Why? You know what? I knew it. I knew Solly wanted to get me beaten up. Why do you want to see me beaten up? As a gang-related gentleman always popping up. Chat, I've noticed it's a safe space, fellas. Well, now I'm scared. Maybe it's not so safe in my head. Fires 1 to 2 but failed. Oh, shoot, this might be... Yeah, Jodie? Yeah? I feel like maybe this is now not a great one. Naughty Solly. Because the slowdown, you want to see the slowdown fast up, slow down fast up. 2, 3, I still have the 3. Do you want to see more of a push there? It tapped into the 50% on ES, just saying. Oh yes, I can roll up in any hood and find some thugs. In California, you get these bloods, and it makes me wanna this to way back when, before 11-year-olds got a hold of Mac. Like, leave it alone? Okay, I'll leave it alone. Leave it alone, leave it alone, leave it alone, leave it alone. Tapped into the 50% on ES and now it's gonna freaking go. Am I not? Sorry. I keep scrolling Pixar Mom pool is still trading like Pixar Mom? Pixar Mom? Come again? Yes, it's not your day today. No. Clearly not. This is for the Pixar Mom thing.
Emotional damage.
I was just called a Pixar mom. I don't know how I feel about that. Maybe that's a compliment, because normally the Pixar moms are... Pixar mom is good. Oh, thank you, thank you. You just call me a child. Okay? But it is your day, friend, because it's time for a magic trick. No shame, he's been nice. He has been nice, Geordie. He has been nice. Engineer again, it just kept going and it just took advantage of it. Nice, John. Tapped into that 50% on ES. I mean, is Microwave still here? He's been awfully quiet. Microwave? No. And not no, I'm not saying that because I don't know what it means. Never cease to surprise me. Ah, in market and business there'll be no tricks, Mr. Geordie. Oh! Jim and Jim, well done! Whoop whoop, that's amazing! Oh, good grief! Being held back. Respect for now. Clearly, it's just not my day today. Missed me by a few ticks here. And now it's gonna go up. It's gonna go up solidly now, I can see it. Double bottom, it'll come down. They would have been my TP. Okay. They would have been my TP. I said one more trade. I must leave it at one more trade. I said one more trade. Waiting for that retest on Bob levels is coin flip. Interesting. Well, no, so I wasn't waiting for a retest. No. I don't really wait for a retest on Bob levels. There was the first presented from the other day, from Friday, that I was waiting for a little bit of a retest. And I guess this fair value gap, it did retest into it, but not quite far enough. If it does retest into a Bob level, I usually use it as a confluence, not so much a it will retest into it. No, 100%. Yeah. From backtesting, I mean the best setups run the entire Bob level entirely. People usually complete funded accounts on their first try, on their first go. Bounty on my head, you think the short is coming? Well, I did say that was my last try, and then I'm hands off because then I am chasing and I'm asking for Pupukaka if I start pushing that too much. Oh, this is gonna retest like a proper solid. It's okay. Zibe, how many trades do I take in a day? Yeah. But you are correct, Geordie. If it goes Bob to Bob, you want to see it move Bob to Bob with some like power. But anyways, how many trades do I take in the day? It depends on the day. It really depends on the day. Could have taken 2 today. Should have taken 2 today, but I took 1 today, and that's okay. That's okay. It's okay. No, macro, watch out. Better fresh start tomorrow. No, you are correct, Mal. You are correct indeed. I did say if it hit my TP with this one without take... Sorry, that's my dog pretending that life is oh so difficult. Geordie, are you still in this, by the way? Sorry. And then he laid down and went, ugh, like he has to pay the bills. Like he's not just a freeloader living happily. You took 12 trades today? What the heck, Ninja? Ayo, Tom Lee, how's it going? Found it? Are you good? Are you having an amazing time? Aren't you just a lucky duck? And now ES is failing to break above, and NQ is pushing. Interesting. Either way, I'm gonna be trying to chase this, and now it's definitely consolidating this in value. It's breaking above. This could drop down now, but not before it taps into that Asia high, I don't think. Break even though. She's looking a bit meh. No, I agree. Oh, thanks, Mr. Brian. I really appreciate it. Yeah, for anyone that is new, if you want to join the Discord, you are more than welcome to. It is in the description below. I refreshed it this morning, so it should still be good. So if you want to join the Discord, more than welcome to. I am officially affiliated with Tradeify. So if you guys want awesome discounts, there's 30% discount on any and all, which is awesome on Tradeify. If you want to get that discount, you can use my code. It's TeachMaya, all caps. Existing stock green today. Nice, John. Well done. So mysterious. Well, the focus face should come with a warning. Like, what's sudden heart attack? That's kind of your average. Good grief. Jordy, I think it's still gonna hit. It might take a while, but it's gonna hit. There we go. As I said, that there's that stream element saying Tradeify is here. There's the link, by the way. So yeah, you guys use Tradeify and you want to get 30% off, you can use my code. Like I said, TeachMaya, all caps. Super awesome, and would much appreciate the support. Rico Wade. Oh, there you are. What a boring old day for you. Don't worry, it missed me by a tick. Here. I asked if you were here still. Check. Missed me by a tick. So I feel your pain. Would have been a win. And I'm not sure if you saw... No, you did. You saw what I did earlier. It's fine. But it missed me by a tick there, and I used the incorrect range here. I used this range. Up here. You can see if I had used this range, it would have literally ticked it and gone up beautifully. That's okay. Woulda, shoulda, coulda. It is what it is. Point is, I'm now hands off because I will then start chasing, and it is theoretically lunchtime over there. I know it kind of consolidates over lunchtime, and it might start picking up a little bit later for the PM session. $358 is the price. Do you think it'll slam it? I have my 390 point of interest, so... Oh wait, 358. Everyone's been talking about 358, so maybe. I'm bored after I stopped trading. Can anyone suggest a good movie? I mean, what type of movies do you like? Wow, so you prefer watching TikToks over me, Microwave? You know what? I think just for that, I'm gonna have to go and have a bath with the toaster. So, no, I'm joking. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Did you notice how I specifically said toaster over a microwave? I'm so sorry.
Emotional damage.
Okay, call this the midday chop zone, no 100%. Oh my gosh, I'm being so sassy. I'm sorry. I've locked in a profitable day already, so I'm happy either way. Oh, shush. No, why am I being salty? I've also had a green day. I'm just being a grumpy goose for no valid reason. Let's see, if I kept doing this up to there, see if it goes down, take this out. I mean, it is still a valid trade, but I'm sticking to my rules. I said if this did not take me out and went and hit TP, I'm staying out of it. So I'm staying out of it. I don't know if I'm going to torture myself by doing this. Woulda, shoulda, coulda rubbish, but let's see. Solly picks, or it didn't happen. Wow. What's your opinion on NQ movement in a higher time frame, like video 1 hour? How much can it go? Do you prefer higher time frame or rely on short time frame? Oh, Mr. Bale, no, so especially recently I have been actually checking daily 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute, then to the 1 minute. It moves pretty decently, actually. Today it's moved really well. Pixar, it's an app. Gosh, Solly's mean. You should be so lucky. Oh gosh. Thank you, Debbie. You think I'm funny. Okay, okay. Before temptation gets the best of me, I'm gonna call it. I said if it didn't tag me in and hit my TP, I was done. It did that. It didn't tag me in and it reached where my TP was. So I'm gonna call it before I make a mistake. And do something silly. Hey, Doc. Sorry, I see you there. What's up?